Welcome to my channel Easy Learning with Garima Ma'am. Today in this video we will study about the states of matter and changes in the state of matter. Students, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get notifications of the latest video. Now, why to wait? Let's start. At ordinary temperature, matter is known to exist in three forms known as the states of matter. The three states of matter are solid, for example, chalk and wood; liquid, for example, water, kerosene; and gas, for example, air and oxygen. Besides solid, liquid and gases, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate are also being considered as state of matter. Plasma is the state of matter that exists at extremely high temperature and is known to consist of positive ions of electrons. Bose-Einstein condensates are known to exist at extremely low temperature. Based on the arrangement of molecules in matter, the intermolecular distance and the intermolecular force of attraction vary between different states of matter. Hence, we can summarize that there are 5 types of states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Let's discuss various characteristics of solid, liquid and gases. States of matter in which constituent molecules are closely packed is known as solid. Solids have the following characteristics. Solid have a definite volume. Solids have a fixed shape and size. The molecules in solids are closely packed and the intermolecular distance between them is very less. The intermolecular force is very strong in solids. Solids cannot be compressed easily when pressed. Molecules in solids remain fixed and vibrate about their mean position. Due to strong intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules, solids expand very little on heating. Solids are hard and rigid but can be beaten into sheets. Liquid is the state of matter in which the constituent molecules are not very closely packed. Liquids have the following characteristics. Liquids do not have a fixed shape and take the shape of the container they are poured in. The intermolecular force of attraction is lesser in liquid, that is why they are loosely packed. The intermolecular space between the molecules of liquid are like water, mercury, etc. is more than that in solids. The molecules are not fixed at their position and can move freely. Even though the intermolecular forces are weaker in liquids than in solids, the molecules are not completely free. That explains why they have a definite volume. Due to weak intermolecular forces, heating causes expansion in liquids. Like solids, liquids are almost incompressible. Liquids are less rigid as compared to solids. Gas is that state of matter in which the constituent molecules are very loosely packed. Gases have the following characteristics. Gases have neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. They occupy all the space available to them. The intermolecular distance in gases is large. The molecules in a gas move freely in all directions, that is, execute zigzag motion continuously. The intermolecular force in gases is almost negligible. Due to this, the molecules in gas are very loosely packed. Gases can be compressed to a large extent. Gases also expand a lot on heating. Gases are not at all rigid. Matter can undergo change from one state to another. Three states of matter are interconvertible into one another by changing temperature and pressure. This can be observed on heating matter. For example, water exists in all three states of matter. It exists as a solid at 0 degrees Celsius, as a liquid at 25 degrees Celsius, and as a gas at 100 degrees Celsius. When ice is heated, it melts and turns into water. Similarly, when we take some water in a pan and heat it on a burner, it converts into water vapor. Also, water changes into ice on freezing. Just like water, other materials can also change from one state to another through processes like melting, boiling, evaporation, and condensation. Hence, we can summarize that first, the change of a solid into liquid on heating is called fusion or melting. The change of liquid into solid or cooling is called solidification or freezing. The change of liquid into gas on heating is called vaporization or evaporation. The change of a gas into liquid on cooling is called condensation. The conversion of a solid into gas on heating without undergoing liquid state is called sublimation. Thus, sublimation is a process of conversion of a solid into a gas directly and vice versa without undergoing liquid state. The substance like ammonium chloride, iodine, camphor and naphthalene undergo sublimation. Now it's time to check your progress. Here I am providing you the relevant questions for your practice. I hope this video had performed useful to you with many informative terms. If you got this video important and helpful, then please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, bye-bye.